I've lived in Long Beach for 8 years. So I think it's amazing that a lot of people are choosing to adapt or adopt a more green lifestyle when it comes to transportation. But I think it's amazing, particularly in Long Beach, that we have such a large community that cares about the environment, especially when it comes to like transportation and emissions and things like that.
Go Beavers!
Outdoor activity in Long Beach is extensive. When I was about to retire, the office moved to downtown Long Beach, and I would take my bike because it was only like 4 miles.
I mean, Long Beach is supposed to be a very bike-friendly city, and there are lots of lanes. I mean, I feel safe riding my bike. I'm very careful. You need to be, but and it's a great community. People. It's a great way to get around.
If you go into the communities here in Long Beach, you do see that, again, a lot of us use ride sharing. A lot of us use like the electric scooters, and a lot of us bike to get where we need to go.